Good morning. Take a look. I know. Well, that's why I'm here. I'd come here more often if it wasn't 5,000 miles away. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, so bucket list item. I've never driven around Santorini, so I'm gonna get a four-wheeler and go explore. So let's go get mobile. For you. There you go, good boy. Good boy. You need to stay safe. Yeah, I'm not leaving yet. My car. So this is what I'm making. This one's and hopefully gasoline. Yeah. Let's get this going. Let's go. There's parts of Santorini I've never seen before because I never had the freedom. Been a couple of weeks of a lot of activity, and I have to say this is so much fun. As many times I've been to this island, I've never done all this. Red Beach is very popular. This. Thank you, my friend. We have a banana and a nectarine. Just so you know, that's not me adding the music. A wild school of kayaks. Take a look. Volcanic soil. Oh, volcanic soil. Red rock beach. Simply amazing. So there's a cave over here that we're gonna go to, but I'm very prepared. I brought diving shoes. Here's the deal, on my body, there is super glue and toilet paper all over. Hold on. I mean, there's about 5 or 10 things from just being beat up. I've been on an adventure for 2 weeks. Hey, look, they have street signs up. Okay. Ooh, in English. so beyond words impressed. I've had an incredible vacation. I don't want to say anything's been outdone, but I'm impressed. I'm keeping this one. Ready for some more adventure? Huh? Alright, let's go. I might have to use two hands now. I am about to mess up a perfectly good day. My definition of perfect is peaceful. This is Santorini. Most famously, iconically known by the blue domed roof chapel and houses that sit on the cliff of Ia. It's where people will tell you the most famous sunset happens. Wow. It's also a place where 10,000 selfie sticks are waiting to take your eyes out. Oh, I'm gonna mess up a perfectly good day and go there. Hey, what's the worst that could happen? Things. You wanna know why? I'll show you. That's why. Not my thing. But this is. I know I'm a mental patient with a camera, but other mental patients with cameras drive me crazy. My third time in Santorini and my third time in Ia, I now know more than ever. As beautiful as you think it is, it would never hurt my feelings to never come back here again. Because what must go on in the summer? Still think it's magical.
Ο αστυνόμος, εγώ δεν σου παραπάνω αγαπητής.